Okay, we're going to go over some of the operation of the sauna control here. This control panel has a couple different modes and a couple different features. So the first one we're going to go over is the Fahrenheit and Celsius change. So you press this button, it'll display the current temperature inside the sauna in Celsius, and you'll operate in all temperature in Celsius. You press it again, you can change it all to Fahrenheit. So just to start, if you want a basic operation of your sauna, you want it to turn on. First step is to set the time, and this time is going to be the duration in minutes that the heaters are going to remain on. So if you want it to run for 5 minutes, and then you set over here the current temperature you want it to heat up to. So here we're going to set it to run for 5 minutes at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The current temperature inside is 71. Once you set your time, your temperature, you then press the on button, and you're going to notice that the heat light is going to come on, and that means this clock is now started. So the heaters are now going to start heating up, and this current temperature you're going to see is going to start to increase until it gets all the way up to 130, or the 5 minutes have elapsed. Either one will then turn off the heater. So if you want it for an extended period of time, you can always increase the time, and that's going to make the heaters run for longer. So we'll turn that off. If you want to turn it off, again, it's just the on-off button again. Down here, you've got controls for lights. You've got interior lights, this button, and you've got the exterior lights with this button. One last feature is the preset feature, which is controlled via the set button. So say, for example, you want your sauna to heat up after, say, 30 minutes of your exercise. So you jump on the treadmill for 30 minutes, and then you want your sauna to be at temperature after those 30 minutes. So you can preset it to run after a set period of time, so that when you finish your treadmill, the sauna will already be up at that temperature. So to do this, you want to first set the temperature that you want it at. Okay, so we're going to say we want it at 130 degrees. Then we're going to click the set button. So what this now changes the control to is hour and minute display. So we'll go back to it. And you use these buttons up and down to set the duration in terms of minutes. So you want it to heat up after, say, 10 minutes, start the heater, or say after 1 hour and 10 minutes, the sauna is going to start itself heating up, and it's going to heat up to your set temperature. So as you notice, it'll go solid. That means that this timer has started to count down from 1 hour and 10 minutes until it's going to start heating up to the set temperature that we'd already set. So you'll notice after 1 hour and 10 minutes, this heat light's going to come on, and it's going to start heating up for the set period of, or to the set temperature that you'd like, with the duration that was previously set. So again, this is done through the set button. So I've turned that off, and that's the basic operation of your sauna control.